Hey guys, how's this for you? Got fireworks on the beach here at the Hilton. Got my telescope set up. Right now we're looking at Jupiter. Jupiter's right up there. A really bright star right there. That's Jupiter. We're looking in the telescope. You can see 4 of its moons. Let's see if we can get that in the telescope. There it is, Jupiter, and you can see its moons. There's 1, 2, 3 in the bottom, and there's one on the top. Fireworks and the stars. They're on the beach next to the Hilton Hawaiian Village and the Halikoa and the Barefoot Bar right here. Got the pictures for sale by donation down here. Check them out in the box. The tip jar right there, the business card. It's the schedule of events. Telescope. Fireworks every Friday night.